Hello YouTubers, we got rained out up my place, so we're not working up there today. It is just a mud hole. So we come down here and put new dentures in Jeff's saw and see if we can't cut it. After, I don't know if you watched the movie, what was that, a couple months ago? You were using it as a hacksaw, cut-off saw? It was a long time back, but I know we videoed it where it hit a bunch of nails and took a bunch of nails out, then hit a bunch more nails and took a bunch of nails out, and that was a sticky more? Anyhow, it did it because the guy needed it for boards for a youth group or something like that. That's why we kind of kept on sawing it. Never seen teeth go in as hard as these are going in. They come out pretty easy, but they don't want to go back in. So we're doing that. We're going to be making stickers later this afternoon. You didn't put no Earl on it yet, did you?
You're the Earl man.
I'm the Earl man. So this isn't too exciting. It's kind of like Groundhog Day here. After you see the first one, then they're all kind of the same and nothing ever changes. The only thing that I do know that is when you start sharpening teeth or putting teeth in a saw or anything like that, they grow. These things are going in hard.
They're going in all.
Come out pretty easy. This is that new Simon speed wrench. They should have kind of maybe named it a slow wrench because it isn't particularly fast. We'll bring it over here in a minute after we do a couple this way and maybe get you a better view of this thing. But like this saw blade here's got I think 52 teeth on it when you start, but it has 52 teeth on it all day long.
You don't know where we're at. You ain't changed half of it.
Yeah, we work on it, then take a break. It's kind of hot out here today, but it's not too bad down here in this hole. There's not much light, so the video probably isn't all the greatest. And we've dropped a couple teeth down into the sawdust pit and had to go find them. Probably should have put a rag in some place to catch them. And the teeth feel terrible. I have to show you the teeth. Are they Simon's teeth?
Yeah.
Simon's teeth. I thought Simon's would do a little bit better than this. Real kind of upset.
He's upset. Listen to him. We used to buy them for 50 cents a tooth, which was $50 for 100 teeth. This box of teeth was $206.
And it won't last 2 times on saw. Because it's 52 teeth and you get
one round out of a box.
One round out of a box and then you need 4 more. But a lot of times when you take out the teeth, you don't take them all out, you just take, when you hit metal, I think we might be bringing a metal detector down here a little more.
Yeah, there's one here if you figure out how to use it.
Oh, there is one here. Figure out how to use it. Old-time metal detectors are different than new-time metal detectors. I'm not real sold on it at Ren's. I'm not opposed to it yet. I mean, it'll find stuff. I haven't found anything in the wood yet. I did those telephone poles.
How could you not find something? A phone pole.
But I used the good old metal detector on that. The new metal detectors will tell you how deep and where out the stuff is in them. And I think you might be just as well to buy one of those new ones that are, I mean, they've come a long way. And I guess I bought that one metal detector I got back in, I think it was '82. And electronics has come a long way since then, so I don't know. The key is don't hit metal.
Yeah. Or porcelain insulators. Wire fencing. Drywall screws.
Drywall screws. Yeah, I took on those 2 telephone poles. Well, I guess I had 3 telephone poles. There were 2 broke off drywall screws that still had an inch of threads on them, a 1/4 inch below the surface. Now that's one thing most of the time about telephone poles, you don't find stuff deep inside. But you will find a million lost dog nails inside of them, but they're all superficial. So the first thing you do when you clear a telephone pole is get everything that you can see out.
I got to where I endured the staples.
Yeah.
It's all.
Yeah, I don't think they hurt too much.
Oh, we're down a bit. Where to get the saw?
You had to go down. That was the old one, right?
Yeah, that's all.
See if we can find it. One went down into the pit. Magneto.
Doesn't really matter. Just an old tooth.
I don't know that it made it here. Is it on the ledge there?
I had to get the saw on this side.
I know. Oh, there's no ledge in there, is there? There was ledge on the one out here. There you go.
Good fish. Oil, please. Do you see any shiny teeth coming up on the other side of there?
No. I don't think these blades have an end. They're just affinity. All right, let me bring it around over here. We'll give you another pew of it over here. It's kind of a hateful job. And they don't want to go back in. They're coming out easy. Well, I'll lower this down and see if I can't put it right here. Get in. Uh-oh. There's my towel down there. Woo. This might be a little bit different pew. Then we'll do it on another pew in a minute. It's going to be a non-sawmill, non-sawing sawmill video.
I can't run. I can't change them while it's running.
Can't change them while, but if you could change them while you're running, you'd be a million.
I can destroy them while I'm running.
Yeah, I'm all right with that. No, I'm not all right with that.
It's your saw.
I guess you guys are seeing I bumped the. Doesn't that thing always look like it's aiming off someplace? Doesn't it look like it's aiming over there?
No, not good with cameras. See, you'd think you could pull that in there, but you can't.
Now, one thing, these are pretty new shanks, so that might be part of the problem. Yeah, you're still in there.
I didn't move.
I can't get the camera any lower, so guys, that's about where we're at. I got to give it a bath. Can you reach the oil can over there?
Barely.
Put a little Earl in there.
Now you got me all early.
Yeah. It's kind of a slow job. But these teeth, I know I could give you a tooth. I don't think it would show up on the camera. Hand me a tooth. If I'll try not to drop it. Is that one got the ledge on one side? Not on the...
They'll do.
These things, if you can see it, which I don't think it'll show up, here it's smooth. But over on this side, you can't.
It's got a raised edge on one side.
No, this one's smooth on both sides. Is this an old tooth? No. This one here is good. This one's not raised up on either side. Look at it.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Where am I?
One side's taller than the other.
Now this one is. Look at. See how this one's got the lip right there?
Yep.
You can see this one here, or maybe you can't see it. I'm trying to get it. Maybe I might be zoomed out. Yeah, I'm zoomed out. Maybe it'll come in a little closer. You need a. It's got a lip right here. And I don't know that you can see it, and I don't really want to drop it in there. I'll turn it around, and then the other side, some of them have a lip and some of them don't, so they're just not real kosher to me. Guess I can't say that, can I? Is that improper?
I don't know.
They don't taste good?
No, we've always used Simon's teeth. Maybe Simon's
Sending them someplace else? And it goes in and it bottoms out all the way down here on the saw. That's what supposedly makes them better than a number 3. See, they're coming out good.
Yeah, so you can see where it stops it.
You can see where it stops it right there. If you can, you probably can't see it. See that little ledge right there? Well, on a number 3, it stops it up here, and this can move real easy. So that's kind of why they went to. I think this is F pattern here. They just don't feel good.
It won't line up with the shank very well. But that's the way it is.
They were Simon Shanks.
Were they? Harsh.
We'll take you over here now for a little bit. Another view of the master of the blade. Blade master, that's what we'll call you.
Yeah. Look, my name ain't Peach.
Oh, you know, you got a new one right here.
So we're getting there. My God.
We only got 1,000 more to go.
Yeah, really. Then we're going to fire it up and see how bad it wobbles.
Yep, see how bad it wobbles. We got
If
to
it
check.
wobbles real bad, it may end up on the hammer bench.
Yeah. These are hard to put on in the hammer bench because
You can't hold on.
you can't hold on to the blade.
Look at that.
You haven't hit your finger doing that.
I think it's the speed handle pulling the shank the wrong way. It makes it tight.
I think so too. Because if you can't really figure out what he's saying, but the way it twists in, it's pushing it from here around this way instead of pulling it through.
Yeah.
But they might design it that way so it doesn't reduce the tension in the shank when you're pulling it in. I got no idea. But number 3 isn't as hard to put in as this. Number 3s have 2 prongs go in instead of 1.
There, well, I could have done 3 of these. 3 by now.
Did you make it?
I think so.
Yep.
Stop moving.
Yep.
Instead of beating on it once it stops.
Because I like beating a dead horse. Alright guys, we'll call it quits on this. Maybe while he's putting the 1 in, I'll bring the camera over and do a direct down on, just for the heck of it. That camera needs oiling up a little bit, and my hands are about oily. Keep my camera from rusting, won't it?
You can't see it from that side.
You can't.
But you can see it from this side.
Yeah, you can kind of see. But see, when you do that, that pushes that in, where if it would, see, it's actually pushing from back here. Of course, I didn't have that.
Okay. Well, I'll take this one out so you can see that. It pushes on the other end. They ain't bad to push out.
No, they come out good. Uh-oh. Rag time. Have to do a one-handed oil.
See if I can roll it in.
You're at not in the groove on the inside. We're changing his direction here, which is kind of setting him off, and I'm watching and not watching the camera, and it's going goofy everywhere.
Watch what you're doing. I'll watch what I'm doing. Everybody can watch us screw up.
And then it's
Ridiculous.
the seat's down there. That's about it. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and I might put another short one on tonight. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. Too early in the afternoon to know what I'm doing and out of control all the time. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell thing if you want to be notified that I'm going to be back on the place, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Hit yourself in the head for watching this dumb shit.